QCOM stock analysis and QCOM stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Looking at Qualcomm Incorporated, $165, it's a decent price. But what's not so decent is it came down 5% on Friday, right? Let's look at the broader picture. Still, I mean, I absolutely am in love with this. So I think that you already know how my prediction is going to look like. I have spent 5 figures on courses and mentors and called out thousands of quick predictions. And all of this has been documented for free on this YouTube channel. And if you want to be a part, you know, you can just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way. But specifically looking at QCOM, the only thing that will make me buy is if I see the shift. If I don't, now guess what? That will take time. And I'm not going to be in a rush because there is no need to. There's all these other ticker symbols on this side. So make sure to stay tuned. And like I said, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye.